Advanced AMZ reached out to me to do a review. I get home, I've lost my earrings. And again, it comes in 3 pairs. The weight of one of these is 1.6 ounces. So when I was very young, I ripped my earlobe. I lose earrings all the time and then they sag when I wear long earrings. So my first test was to wear the earring lifters for 2 weeks. I didn't have any kind of infection from the product. So that's a great thing. Are they worth the price? Yes. And while I was doing the video, this earring with the regular back fell like 3 times. And this one did not fall off at all. So I purchased these on Amazon. So I'm about to go out to the club tonight and I'm gonna see if these earrings stay on or if I lose them.